Hey YouTube, Sean. I wanted to show you what we found at the thrift store the other day. It's called H2O. Found this little reindeer. Oh, can't get back far enough here. It's lit, lights up. There was a problem, and I fixed it. Put it down low by his hoof so nobody could really tell. It was a bad bulb in the strand, and it works great now. And it didn't have the reindeer nose, the red. So I used a carburetor bulb for squeezy bulbs and hot glued it with 3 red LEDs and wired it into the loom. So, alright, here when it gets dark we'll show you. Merry Christmas everybody, and Happy New Year. Alright guys, that's what he looks like when we're done. Yeah, looks really good. $3. We went up to Buy Mart and they wanted $30, and the one they had didn't have the horns, the neck scarf, and he didn't have a red nose. They didn't have it. It was just a clear white deer. That LED nose looks good. That red LED nose. Rock.